Hello and welcome to Mom I Love, and I am Shubhoshri, and today I am going to interview my daughter Chandray. So, we have seen Chandray in many of the videos where we have read comprehensions and all. We have done many study videos, but today it will be a fun video with you.
Yeah.
I am going to ask you many questions and she is going to answer. So let me tell you that she is now 6 years old, right? She just turned 6 this October. So we will quickly discuss few questions and see that how fun we can make this video. So let's begin. So before I start this video, I will request you to write in the comment section that are you here for watching educational videos or parenting videos or my newly started pregnancy videos. That will really help me to understand what kind of videos you are liking so that I can make similar videos in the future. So to keep us motivated and to watch our further videos, please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon. So now, can you tell me what is your name?
Chandray Day.
Okay, you are Chandray Day, and you are how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
You're 6 years old? Who are your family members?
Mama, Papa, Amma, Dada, Nini, Dada.
So we three stay here, me, my husband and my daughter. And in India, back in India, we have our parents, like my parents and my in-laws. So she consider, and we have taught her that all of us makes a family. And whenever we are deciding upon something, or we are going to do something or something like that, which holds a little importance in our life, we always talk to our family and then go ahead. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in 22nd October.
Okay, and you just completed your kindergarten, right?
Yeah.
She just completed her kindergarten, and last week was her graduation. So we really enjoyed her graduation here. And this time, of course, I was little sad because every year we will attend their annual party at school, where every year the K2 students will graduate, and they have a nice ceremony over there which is celebrated. But this year when my child was about to graduate, it was like due to COVID, it was done on an online platform. So yes, we really missed that we could not attend the party, but still we can see that our kids, our children, this is just the first milestone for them, that they are taking that certificate from the kindergarten school, from the principal, and the way they are dressed up, the way they are trained about the whole thing. I really loved that, and it was mesmerizing. Every year, it means for the last 3 years, she's into the school, and every year we will wait for this day, and finally this day came for you. I'm really happy that you graduated from your kindergarten. So, thank you.
Yeah.
So next year she's going to P1,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So can you tell us the name of your school, new school? Dimensions.
Dimensions.
Yeah. So next year means in 2021, we have done her admission in an international school which follow the Cambridge guidelines. So that is called the Dimensions. It is in Singapore. So the reason why we chose that school, because it is very near to our house. And we wanted her to study in either in an international school or in a local Singapore board which follows the MOE syllabus. So though it is a Cambridge school, it follows the MOE syllabus, and I'm really happy about that she could get into that school. So in 2021 Jan, she is going to start from her class 1 or primary 1. Here it is called primary 1, as we say that P1. So that will be a new beginning to your life. I hope you have a successful life ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. So now talking about your hobbies. What do you like doing the most?
I love running, jumping.
She's a very energetic kid. Let me tell you that every time she is, first of all, when you see her outside, every friend, my friends and all, everybody will say that she's such a quiet girl, but actually she's not. She will run around. Her best thing is jumping on the bed. I know many parents will agree to this, that their kids' favorite part is jumping on the bed. So she behaves like a monkey sometimes when she jumps on the bed. So she likes doing all these things. And another thing that but you know, she is quite an understanding girl, and yeah, she's growing up very fast. Okay, so do you have any hobby, something you love to do, like painting or anything? Singing, dancing, anything?
Dancing.
Dancing? So you like dancing?
Yes.
So in her kindergarten, they were like preparing kids every 3 months for some of the performances, and she would really like and enjoy all her trainings and everything for dance performance. And once their video come for, means they will be sending the school graduation video with performance where all the kids have performed of K2. So once they send that video, I will share short clippings with you so that you can see how well she performs. Okay. And one of the biggest thing means most of the time she is involved into drawing. I don't know why she didn't mention that I love to draw, but she loved to draw. Every time she's taking one like A4 size papers, and she's like scribbling and drawing and coloring into it, like, Mama, I have made this card for you, Papa, I have made this card for you. Every day we receive at least 2 to 3 cards from her, and she is really happy doing that, and we always appreciate her for that. What is your favorite color?
Pink and purple.
So if your child is born in October, it is very common and likely that their favorite color will always be pink, because girls like pink, love pink, most girls, and purple will be an additional palette. Because I have seen, my best friend, she is also born in October, and what I see that their favorite colors are pink and purple. So that is just a notion which I have in my head. If your child is born in October and they have this similar liking in color, then please let me know in the comment section below. So now tell us, what is your favorite food?
I love chicken.
Her favorite is chicken. Anytime you give her chicken, maybe in breakfast, dinner, lunch, anytime, she loves chicken. Every day she will go and ask me in the kitchen, Mama, are you cooking chicken? So I tell her that regularly we don't get chicken to eat. So, you know, once or twice in a week you'll get it. But she loves to eat chicken. And anything like chocolates and ice creams like that.
Ice cream, I love chocolate.
So she loves both. She loves ice cream as well as chocolate. Yesterday only she was very, you know, she was asking that can I eat a ice cream. So we gave her ice cream. All 3 of us had ice cream and apple pie.
Yes, only Papa.
Yeah, Papa. We don't like apple pie.
Yes, not too much.
Not too much. So we had ice cream. Chocolate sundae, right? We had chocolate sundae from MACD yesterday night. Apart from her school, she is into swimming classes, because I want her to learn swimming as early as possible. So she's into swimming class for last 1 year or so, and she has picked up very well, though she's doing good. In her kindergarten, she was also into her speech and drama classes, but now it's over. So hopefully in our new school they will have activities for kids, extracurricular activities. So hopefully she'll be learning many new things over there, like they have music classes, dance classes and all.
But
So
I will miss Tia.
Oh, so next we are coming to this point, okay? So we will be putting her into the extracurricular activity classes, and she will be liking her school. And she also enjoys crafting with me, because I am mostly into crafts. Most of the time, whenever I get any opportunity to do some DIY, I will just do that at home. Like on her birthday this October, we created a nice background at home, and we did everything at home, right?
Yes.
So we together enjoyed that thing, and every time we do that. So this Christmas and on this Diwali, we are planning that we will again decorate our house. And if you want to know, if you want to see that how our decorations are made, how we do that, and how beautiful it comes out, then let me know. I will share those video with you as well. So now I'm going to ask you, do you have a friend or a best friend at school?
Tia Kumar.
Okay, so her best friend is Tia Kumar. So I know her mother very well. Like when they started school together, we would meet every day. For 1 year, I used to go to her school first year. Every day she was a walkers there. Now after a year, I have put her in the school bus. So she goes to school in a school bus. So Tia is her favorite. She's her best friend, and now she's telling me that Tia is not going to my school, so I will be missing her. Though I told her that sometimes, like once in a month or so, we will go to Tia's house and we will meet up somewhere and play, right? Are you happy with that? As I mentioned previously that she is a very helpful and kind girl, because always at home she will be helping her mother around, and also daddy sometimes, when we are folding our laundries, she would pair the socks, she would help me while I'm cleaning the house, she will listen to me. Sometimes she has started filling water bottles as well. So she can do many work of her own, and I'm also training her to be independent, because now when she will be going to class 1, I'm really worried that how she would cope up in the school, because in kindergarten they would just assist every child every time whenever they are going to the washroom, or there are no stairs. Like the school is in one floor, and there is no stair or a scare that your child might fall down. But as you can understand that from P1 things change a little bit. Teachers are a little bit strict, and the school building is huge. There are stairs inside the school. I was worried about the toilet and everything.
Even
as well.
our school have a little bit stairs. When we go home, then we go to the stairs. Then when you go up, there's a little bit stairs with only the N1 and N2 go in the left, and the K1 and K2 go in the stairs.
Okay, so that's why we are training her, like how to wash herself after using the toilet, how to go up and down the stairs carefully so that they don't push each other, how to inform teacher for any kind of emergency, how to eat their tiffin all of their own, and sometime if they have to buy something from the canteen, how to do that. So hopefully things will be going well, and this was our update for her 6 years, and we will be doing another update next year. So every year I have planned now to do this update. We will also come up with educational video with Chandri, and this was all about her when she is 6. Stay tuned, subscribe and like our video. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.